guys, welcome back to my channel where I say share a story with Benas Kumana. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching it. Every time each one of you shares, subscribes, or likes my channel, it gives me again a motivation to share one more motivational story with you all. सो जब जब आप लोग मेरे को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करते हैं हर बार मेरे लिए भी एक मोटिवेशनल एक मोटिवेशन बनता है कि मैं एक और नई स्टोरी लेके आपके पास आऊँ. सो प्लीज़ कीप डूइंग दैट. एंड इफ़ यू वांट एनी चेंजेस टू हैपन इन माय स्टोरी और इफ़ यू फील कि कुछ चेंजेस करने चाहिए, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी ऑल आर हियर टू लर्न, इम्प्रूव. सो अगर किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि इवन लॉट ऑफ माई नोन पीपल वेरी ऑफन थिंक कि अच्छा ये बोलेंगे तो बुरा तो नहीं लग जाएगा. नहीं लगेगा. आप डालिए. अगर कुछ है जिससे आपके सजेशंस आई कैन चेंज, आई कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन माई वीडियोज़ और ऑन माई स्टोरीज और ऑन माई टॉक सेशंस, it would be good to do that as well. And if you're liking it, please do mention, because that also acts as a motivation to me. So if it's criticism, it's helping me improve. If it is appreciation, it is helping me get more inspired and work better on it. Okay. कितनी बार ऐसा सिचुएशन आया है where we say यार बस अब और नहीं होता. कितना तो किया, ट्राई करते जा रहे हम लोग, बट रिजल्ट ही नहीं आता. मैं ना आज गिव अप नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है, फिर भी नहीं होता है. इसीलिए अब फाइनली आई हैव गॉट टायर्ड एंड आई एम गिविंग अप. बस यार एक लिमिट होती है. इंसान कब तक ट्राई करेगा. कभी ना कभी तो हार मान ही जाता है ना. इट्स ह्यूमन नेचर यार गाइस, कम ऑन. कहाँ तक कोई ट्राई कर सकता है. How very often we have such situations in life where we just feel like bas, this is it, I am done with it. इससे ज़्यादा ना अब और नहीं होगा. मेरी लाइफ में तो बहुत बार होता है where I just feel I'm done with it. अब इसके आगे तो मुझसे नहीं होगा और इसके आगे प्लीज़ मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करो. मेरे से तो अब नहीं कोशिश हो रही. I rather give up. It's okay if I fail. ये सिचुएशन हमारी लाइफ में बहुत बार आता है. This situation we face in our life multiple times. So today I thought of bringing up a story which will help you relate with this situation. So should we start? Okay. So once upon a time, there was a man who came from abroad to India, and in one of the cities in India, he visited a elephant camp. होते हैं ना elephant camps जहाँ लगते हैं. तो ये फॉरेन से आया बंदा, he went to a elephant camp one day to see all the elephants and all. He was shocked. जब वो वहाँ गया, he was surprised and he was shocked. He was shocked because उसने कुछ अजीब सा देखा. क्या अजीब सा देखा? What weird did he see? He realized that the entire camp, वो पूरा कैंप जो था एलिफेंट कैंप, that had no fences, no boundaries, no barricades, no solid strong barriers to hold back the elephants. And what he found more surprising was huge elephants. We know how elephants look, how huge and powerful and how big they are. And he found very surprising कि इतना बड़ा camp without boundaries, and the only thing that was keeping those elephants tied to that place was a very simple ordinary rope tied to the leg of the elephant on one side and tied to a small little nail on the other side. He found very surprising. It's very easy obviously for an elephant to just break that and move off. How difficult would it be for an elephant to do that? Come on. They are way more energetic and powerful. An elephant can easily get that rope pulled off and just go out of the camp. So how come such a tiny, such an ordinary rope tied just to a nail, nailed in the ground and tied to his leg is stopping the elephant? He couldn't resist himself from asking this question to the camp owner. So he went to that man, and this foreign tourist who had come, he went to this camp owner man and he asked, "Sir, I have a doubt. I am really very curious. I want to know, ki how come a small ordinary rope is helping you keep these large elephants tied to the camp, whereas there are no boundaries, there are no barricades, there is nothing, no fencing, nothing solid to hold back the elephants. How come an ordinary rope is tied to their leg and the elephant is staying there? It's not even trying to rush. मतलब अजीब बात है ना, एक आम सी रस्सी से एक हाथी का पैर बंधा हुआ है जिसको एक हाथी कभी भी तोड़ के भाग सकता है, फिर भी वो उस उतनी सी रोप से बंधा हुआ है और अटका हुआ है. ये कैसे हो रहा है? दिस इज वेयर द आंसर लाइज. सो द ओनर ऑफ द कैंप, जो उस कैंप का ओनर था, उसने एक रिप्लाई दिया. What he replied was, he said, when these elephants were brought to the camp, जब इनको लाया गया था कैंप में, they were just newborns. They were very small. They were very, just newborn. तो just newborn elephants को लाया गया था कैंप में. उस वक्त से यही जो एक रोप है, जो ऑर्डिनरी सी रोप है, उनके एक पैर में बांधा जाता था. would be this one single rope would be tied to their leg and would be tied to the other side of the nail, and it was at that time sufficient to hold them back. This ordinary rope that time could hold them back, and over a period of time they kept trying to break it when they were small, but they could never do it because that time it was very difficult to do it for them. That time it was not easy to break that rope and go for them because they were very tiny, they were very small, they didn't have that much energy and power that they have today. So over a period of time, after trying multiple times, when at that time they could not break the rope, उस वक्त जो वो rope को नहीं break कर पाते थे क्योंकि वो छोटे थे, उस वक्त उनमें उतनी एनर्जी और ताकत नहीं होती थी कि वो उस रोप को ब्रेक करके चले जाए. उस टाइम वो लोग ने इतना ट्राई किया कि उनको यकीन हो गया कि अब वो नहीं तोड़ सकते उस रोप को. तो अब जब वो बड़े हो गए हैं एंड जब एक्चुअली उनमें उतनी ताकत है कि वो उस रोप को तोड़ के जा सकते हैं, अब वो ट्राई ही नहीं करते. यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू ऑल? दैट टाइम दैट रोप वाज सफिशिएंट टू होल्ड देम बैक because they were very small. But in spite of trying multiple times, at that time they could never break that rope because they didn't have that energy at that time. But after they grew up, they definitely had the energy, but they had given up. उन्हें हार मान ली थी. उन्हें यकीन हो गया था, they believed it, कि now they can't break that rope. Whereas after growing up, if even once that elephant would have tried to break that rope, it would have happened very easily, but he just gave up. The elephants had just given up trying because in their childhood, when they had tried multiple times and they could not do it, on growing up, they realized that they can't break the rope. But this, time changes, situation changes. This is the moral of the story, that never, never, never ever give up on your trying. Keep trying till you are alive. You have to keep trying. We all have to keep trying till we are alive. Never give up. Even when you feel that it's done, I am done with it, बस अब हो गया, अभी तक नहीं हुआ, अब क्या हो जाएगा, इतनी बार कोशिश कर चुके, कभी नहीं होता है, होगा. There will be one day when that situation will be in your favor. In childhood, the situation was not in the favor of the elephant because they didn't have that energy. But on growing up, the situation was in the favor of the elephants because they had the energy and the thin rope had no power to hold them back. But because mentally and psychologically they had given up, the favorable situation didn't help them. That's the reason why we say कि give up नहीं करना है. Keep trying till the end. Never ever give up. Very often we all tend to give up. हमें लगता है बस अब इससे ज़्यादा कोई क्या ट्राई करेगा, कितना ट्राई करेगा. But that's where you have to understand and realize, no, There's still time. We still can try. We still can get it back. So, on this same note, keep trying for all those things. Today, sit back, think of the things you really wanted in life. Make a note of 5 things which you really wanted to do, really desperately wanted in life. It could be related to your job, it could be related to your studies, it could be related to some relation in your family that you want to work out. It might be related to some of your hobby, it might be related to say any passion of yours, or any recipe, or any creative stuff. Anything, be it the biggest or be it the smallest, as small as art and craft work to as great as working out a tough relation in life. Don't stop trying, keep trying. So make a list of 5 such things today that you really wanted to achieve in life but somewhere got tired on it and gave up. If it is a job that you've been trying for long and you've given up, make a note of it and start afresh. Pandemic is there. We know in this pandemic the job scenarios are very tough. But you never know. There might be something that might be in your favor. It is this pandemic situation that brought up the sanitizer industry so well. So you never know what situation can be favorable to you. It might be unfavorable for the entire world, but it might be favorable for you. So do not stop trying. And when you make a list of these 5 things, start afresh and make a new start to accomplish these 5 things that you left in life. And if not all 5, out of these 5 things that you wish to do in life, note down any one thing that you definitely want should happen. And again, start with that one thing that you want to achieve. Start your trials on that one thing once again as afresh and never give up until you achieve it. So this was the short story that I had for you today. Now what I only want from you all is please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please comment in the comment section over here on the YouTube channel itself. What are you looking forward for? A lot of you people message me in personal. I request you to message it on the YouTube channel itself, is because when you message it here on the channel itself, even others can see it, and maybe you might have a similar question to someone else who's not maybe mentioning it, or you have something to say which even someone else wants to say but is shy and is not saying it. So please, instead of messaging it to me on personal, please message it here on the YouTube channel itself, so that we all can read on it, we all can comment back on it. Thank you so very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.